In this practical example we will develop a fitting, reviewing the use of essential commands for component modeling in SolidWorks. Let's get started. In a new part file, we start a sketch in the superior plane. We designed a centerline. Next, with the command line, we draw the profile as shown. We drew some circles. We apply the geometric relations and dimensions necessary for the complete definition of the sketch. We round a few corners with a radius of 2 mm. We activated the command extruded boss, base and, with the option blind, set the distance to 44 mm. We apply slope of 1 degree. We've confirmed the command and look at the solid generated. With the command fillet we apply 1 mm rounding, selecting the edge shown. See that because the tangent propagation option is enabled, all adjacent edges have been automatically selected. We have confirmed the command and now we will chamfer the face of the holes using the command chamfer. We set the 0.5 mm chamfers by 45 degrees, select the edges as shown and confirm. Next, we will make this solid into a shell using the command shell, which allows you to remove material from the part while maintaining a constant thickness on all faces. We activate the command and set the thickness to 3 mm. We'll remove the bottom face of the solid, so we'll select it. We click Show Preview to preview the result. We confirm the command and have our fitting created correctly. Very well, we finished this practical example, where we trained the use of commands for modeling parts and created shell solids.